Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and we are working on this 2008 Volvo XC90. We've done a very quick paint enhancement, and previous detailer had a lot of polish residue on our trim pieces. We've already worked our way around a few pieces of the trim, and I want to share with you guys, for those of you that maybe you've never tried it out, but we are working with LoneStar coating technology, their black trim restore. This is from Jared out in Texas. Fantastic product. He has tire coating, tire cleaner, and he also has a trim restorer. Very similar to solution finish, but personally, I like this stuff a little bit more. I find that it doesn't have quite the streaking problems that sometimes solution finish can have on certain finishes if it gets wet. So you can see a little bit of this goes a long way. We're just going to come in here, kind of try to get up as close as we can to that paint, and very quickly and very easily. Here, I'll just show you guys. Here's that 50-50. You can see, let that air dry for a few hours before it gets wet. And if you want to actually ceramic coat over it, wait 24 hours, and then you can actually put a coating over this to lock it in. But very easy, very affordable, takes the guesswork out of it, and you can see just how great the trim looks. You can have a shiny paint, but if you have faded trim, it's just going to kind of ruin the detail. So this is one of those products that is kind of like the cherry on top for a lot of the details that I work on, and been really enjoying working with this product. Go behind afterwards and just give a light touch with a microfiber. Just knock it down if we have any sort of high spots. But essentially, we are good to go on that trim. It looks fantastic. And like I said, we're going to do a quick coat over it tomorrow after 24 hours. Give our customer long-term protection and beautiful trim. But if you guys want to check this stuff out, try it for yourself if you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use trim restore. This is LoneStar Coating Technology, their black trim restore. And I'll put the link for it down below. I'll also link up the Autofiber Saver applicators. I like these little ones. I use these a lot of time for ceramic coatings, and then when I'm done using them, I'll use them for trim restore, because if they're a little bit hard, it's not going to damage the trim, but they're perfect sized for getting in a lot of those tighter spaces. But all right, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. We're going to keep moving on this detail. But thanks, guys, for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.